I will show now how to form our leaves, palm leaves. So we need pipe a little bit bigger than we will do for stem. This about 2.5, 3 centimeters diameter of a pipe. You just put pipe like this. Get our cotton leaves. We need heat gun, or you can have turn on heat gun, get a little bit hot, and after we need to heat this one. This is material, you need always move it when you heat it. You can see when it is melt, it will be a little bit soft. So we put on this pipe on the middle and just like this, hold it and make it cool down. So we have like this shape, and now do on a half, and with heat gun just glue it together, and we will have palm leaf. We need to have some pipe, long how you like, and diameter of pipe about 1.5, 2 centimeters. You can cover pipe with Eva foam, color what you like it, just like this. I have heat shrink for pipe. You can do Eva foam, or you can do crepe paper and cover around. It's about if you do Eva foam, it's about 2 centimeters wide long strip, and you can cover like this. So begin to do. We need to put like this. Will be first leaves. You put like this and glue it. If you cover pipe with crepe paper or Eva foam, you can glue this leaf with hot glue. But I cover with heat shrink pipe cover, so I need to glue it, and I will use like this glue. This is super glue. Like this, and glue it. You always need to hold it. Even if you do with glue, hot glue, you still need to hold it like that. And now I need to do like this one. So I glue it, put glue, put together and hold it. Okay, next one we do over here, maybe half centimeters, from half to 1 centimeters. Put a little bit down, glue it, and hold it. When you do it, you try to do 2 sides same. We do one here and another. Another do over here. next one, again same idea. Over here. And next one. Look like this. So like this, we need to make all 28 pieces. I done all 28 leaves, and it just look like this. You will have like this beautiful decor, very unique, beautiful decor. So we have option on our Etsy store. We have option golden block, just a block, or gold and white.